Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Opening .pack files on Windows is a common task for gamers and modders. These files are compressed archives that store game data like textures, sounds, and levels. You cannot open them with standard Windows tools. You need a third-party program to see what is inside. The best free tool for this job is 7-Zip. First, download and install 7-Zip from its official website. Once installed, find your .pack file in File Explorer. Right-click the file and hover over the 7-Zip menu option. Select the option that says Open Archive. This will show you all the folders and files tucked away inside the package. You can then drag these files to your desktop to extract them. Another popular choice is WinRAR. It works in a very similar way to 7-Zip. If these general tools do not work, the file might be encrypted. Some modern games use special encryption to protect their assets. In this case, you might need a specific tool made for that game. Dragon Unpacker is a great utility that supports many different game formats. It can scan a file and find hidden entries that other programs miss. Always remember to back up your original files before making any changes. Modifying game files can sometimes cause the game to crash or fail to load. If you just want to see the contents, extraction is safe. Now you know how to access the internal data of your favorite games. Using these simple steps will give you full control over your .pack files on any Windows computer. This process is fast and very reliable for most users today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.